ke yeng ka shari jong ka district and session court West Gentiles haka arpinyo tarik nailur kelarai penram chisendon yo small power but penmi ye ko hukum ban penshitam naga basat adu shipos nama phatok kaba unsha penshitam haka bai dei baka jingdon kti ka jong uban le beijot ekoi ka khna ka bakhat saw snem karta house nam arja khatwei kani ka rai ram banset phatok jong ka district session court kalong kum ka jing pendu men cm ye kibri ki bajule ye kini comes new khamtama ka bai dei persha ki khulung khna haba penmi kani ka hukum pat ka rai jong ka jingtian bishar kabla ya mentala palat sansnem kanong bishar bigiri tang bakala pen bana banset hapatok kadu shiposnem henela danru pat ka kuna ka basan hajar tingka balada umla bansiu inset shisnem hapatok yakane ka case latian bishar hakapor arshipawa mensngi bala rairam set patok katkum ka kendon laispa anyo punrio jong ka Indian Penal Code ka bakranchai badai ban pensidam takabashu set patok paru bandawa bu di bansiu yakakuna kanong bishar hashwa bakan rai pen waino yakajingtian bishar kalong kani ka kena kabla shale beijot kariban yo yakabai luksan katkum ka Meghalaya victim compensation scheme arjar khatsaw kabde ban yo shilak tingka kalong yakani ka pisa de ban siyo ka office jong district legal service authority West Gentiles hapo kandai posngi nadu bala yo pedang yaka hukum kabla penmi hak arpanyo tarik nailor arjar khan rio habai de bakani ka rai hakasngi ka babot ka CCTV kalayo bani kren bak kami ka kena kabadan menta khat khandai snem karta akong rita dar upaye ubajuya sha berngam berset how small power ba ki perlok ki jong u alfios simle kawai na kinong ilam seng balang ka bujusen ran ye ka kame jong ka te khana ka kong rita ka kong Agnes Karsieng pat kanong ye side an ka bla yakon ye kini ka kes ka punam yadaf kumnu pisngo hadien ba nakaliang ka yeng ka shari kala rai penrem yo small power ubalale ikene kam bomman habide ka kun ka jongpi house nam arja khatwe
nga naliang yang nga ngasnyo kemen sibun barakila raya ka hok jongi hagan ni ga menin kasngi ngali yo ya ka jing bichar hok nado mensywasan kisnem ngalai aya le ya kan ga kes mo ka ba chale ben kun jonga te menin kasni ngasnyo kemen sibun ya ki seng yaki ba hayeng ro yaki ki perlok perjoro ki rap ki aibo ring mo jingile ke bawan hadu menin kesni ke jingjam te ka wero ki ailat yangi na katuba por banga haka fastrap put ni yo ni chale ben ni cha pen rem jebor krum kham darai te ngi pat ngi tholat no kumnung ile ki ai but ki prolok ki projor nang tapat ngi le chpok ka lo department ni pan nyerap nang ta te ule upu ukhan ule ya ki ai lat yang mo ngi burom yo ngatip tang kata ga de uku cek khan ki ong te ngi burom yo ula ai lat ban nyele hakan ka high court ngilawan hapo high court nang tapat hapo high court ro ngi ai burom yo
kamu tadi kan hapo state legal service authority
te nang ta te ka poi hapo kan ka high court nang awa yin ba I hei hok wato de ka kam ong de yo ye hok haduk menin kesni wato kam ong gilok kijor kam kong eknes CSWO kai ye cha ga yanga yarap ka yanga to igi bro gi woduk ku cha le ben lorite ni iburom mi kong eknes kam jo le ya kepunam ya dap san kisnem ka yarap ka I de bor lem de iwan ijing ka tengah burom ya ka medam ka punam bat ye kong eknes kum jo te ngayok bor mo ban yele ya kan ka hok jong ka khon jonga
lihat sipang I khon jong pi atau lingba kani ka jing bishar ka bahok na pio na po kayeng ka sari itu kalong ni em kumba khon jong pi in long pat kum kanong yalam lenti na mata ki wei pat ki babon ki khon ken thai kampang ki ki berit ki bisha jusha le pijat atau in long nem kum kanong yalam lenti ba pi
ngaro naliang yang khon jonga ka snyo komen hado menin kesengi kala ong ngasniu kemen balayo ye ka hok tekilong kemero barak hoj kin yo imo ye kene kejing keren jo ngangaru kolong kemei naliang cenganga ong tang kawehi kini kilong kemei kimde ban kum ong ladadon ke kejing cha la ben na kejing cha nyu ben ye ki tade ban tur ban le be seprang ya ka hok ka sarkar karai hi menin kesengi ro yang ngiro ngalayo I hapor mencuang ong ani kim pai re yang I tharai baduk mo ti ya menin kesengi ngai skem tok ka sarkar ka pai na dei baduk ne barius pa ka bisar he ka hop jong tengah senyu kumen cibun ya kita ki an giro jong ka sarkar nga ingo ya ki badai ban bicar hok bai kun penika lenti bala bicar yang I menin kesengi
Kindiat pipiru kide wei na kaba la nuksa bala saki habai de kani ka jingja na do arja khat wei pilamat iki jinge ki bakrau ya kaban sha keno lai phojat amar ba kidon ki jinge kren ki jongpi lingba ka mobile phone tu kopor ba kidon ki seng bhalang kumjuru sautli ki seng bhalang ki bala pen biej pat epi da kumoi pat ban ong ba kide ya kaba Pi pilakwa eka kun ka jongpi ka kun ksio ka jongpi ban le I yauni small phawa kumno ka ya kini pat kumno pi sngo pat menta hadien ma playo ekni ka rai ka jing bishar ka bahok khamtam kuma pi ta pa ye jong la ka jong ka kun ksio pila cha thok khadu ka tan re menta ka jing job kawan chapi kumno pi sngo
ka jing sngo junga ngan kong sam ngai ngo I blai trek ran wala ai kan ka hok hadu men bisni ni yo ka jing jom kong ngasnyo lakat tugis nam na luar hajar kat wei pring ka jingi le pring mong kiding kyang bun ki bon ba marngi ka khun ngar ka dei ka babreo ka boduk marngi wan na kalung ying boduk te tai nong le ikane kam long bro brospa khun spa nong no tangas ngon kong sam kalong ka jing bhaw ngi ini lek bu nrei an lai nga perkhat ba kamdei man ran ande ban tur sprang ini ban lek ini ruan le se kat kum gahok trai umrei miram tang mas se tur sprang rei koi beda ka hapeng kita ki hapeng ta jingi le hapeng ta jingi khun bon sha gidim keng mar klasu thu breuruspa kidon ki kenyasang ki bujuk ya kiba hagajing thong spa jung ule se kata ki mudur junga le se thong spa iki kumno bersneu ya kata jinglong ha kata jinglong breu ka jinglong ha ka imlang salang kwa im sneu imat kidon ga ka besundat jing pangkat junga marwai nakata wala kita giseng kipan pau kita ki jingkersan ki jing ai boj ai bori uro ringam ngam don kata jing suar tin ngan tur sprang mar masuthu sai mari thu gani ksio kita ki jing jabar ka jing hamta ka jing junga ko along kum sai ka jing so kta ka jing long brio kta ba nang tong nakal langi don prang jing dukro ini bentur ngade menilai ikane kes la long kumnum nor haduk la don ga ketien ngoang la dengan rem hang hajuai ngan le hadu hai ku ha hadu simprom ku maniai kata ketien ngami apo ka ku nsua nang ta ngasdang menile apo juai ku apo kumakato kan benai apo kadis apo ku mereka ki hadian kawan no ka fast track ku lagi panas fast track ku po fast track ku ngasngu kemen kendian po fast track ku mujong ka ku hang tu ke waju rai ke ya ka jupek ya kat kum gahok begini yo rei kalong demar kongpong kata jingile nga harus por tengamban se hap na kaya jing sa cancel ya tu kes hapo hakata ga fast track ku hapo juai tengamban se mapai no segai ni ka hai ku Apa sekai ikut alai lembaga ukhan hapo kaniga state legal authority alai panjing mut alai ra ikut kesla urwai mut ngahap lek sekalo department nang ta pelek nang ta daga jing le bha jung ayo galat ngan torsa aga hapo ka ikut taga ko wei betang lepoy po high court apang jing bisar ko hok jung high court kan lepej ye ka jing le jung ka fast track court ailat mengin ka pha biang sepo juai haka sun court taga subram sikade ya gin kinong irap nadu ka kur ka judge dhar kan no ngasuk men marki ai mesem nagi lok jor ki ai mesem nagaleng kum ga seng balang jung hamrit kar napo jante hills nangta kumjo rei kong akanas badai nang nepo kasir ai mesem pengim dei bengin ran ya ai mesem lang bengin dei im dei man ran ye kane kam kum kini kam kilong kam ki ko pentok briai ka imlang salang jong ka jai beru kasih penar ni kam tam hapo gari om tang po kasih penar ni berok gawe gari India markum kini kijat kam kilong ko long khla ye kamon breu balik kamon bulai tumta nambar senga hap ye ku poi hapo juai daga jing rai lembaga jing trestom juga lembaga jing hirap juga punam kum ka advocate ngadu ka sedang ngadu arah jar karwe kanu lalong kum kanu hirap juga ko kanu jing lut ngamdon mar kita ki prida sorkar kimdon biyarap hatu por rei de anda gala pha da kai kuat la poi hapo hagane kenti ko kan ni kedai ka lembaga jing ai bor lem ka punam bar ka jirap ka waisla adkin ka balong ka pipi kan ni rengkat ka jing hak ka jirap ka ila poi ku hagane ka thong ka bomta te kumju daga jing rai ka nika kanika menjis ka numisar wa don buram ka kong bi kiri ka berpej ye ka kat kum ka hok ka bungiding ni yo la ai ka jing job ka ba pak ka biang haru kata manga kenturu ba kino ki breu ki poi kum kan ka apot hapo lagi kentai kena lagi beduk ro manga kentu iki dai benteng rei bikin tur sprang bagi kenang mungkin yo ko hok sisa ngi bon wi tungku kamtam bat ki spa bon sing ju ja kum kan ga kam kolong bat ki spa dei ha kata nurim mong kim nom teng ye kata ga ji spa jung breu ngi dukan wan wa rei kayim besar trai ha ko khaddo kan ai ga jing besar ko hok kat kum ga jing bo kendon ke sorkar tengah ai ro adu kata ya ka kong kiri ai buram hadu katai tai ka mar kalong ka breu go pe sisa ye kentai kena ye kunswat kunroni wala peniwa e ka hok ye ka ni ksu
kong agnes kindiat amar ka jing putin ka jong na kaliang ka jong kinong thok khobor ha de kini kes ni ba pi don la ka jong ka benta ya kawan pendap ha de ka ni ka long yeng ka bla ngat ya kini ka jingja na ka jingle ka jong u small power kuno PE namar ba kidon ki snem ekaba kidon ni kaba nakaliang ka bor pulit kale ban pendu pendam no ini ka kes bat kidon du ka jingle sting nakaliang ka yeng ka shari kuno PE abai kinen mar pila don du ki jingtho ki jong PE ka bang la ban i ding ba ki website abai de ka pi chapo riot pila ban subatai kindiat
kalong kawai ka kaliang ade ban songu shisha ya ka kot jong ka sessions court juai balak pas yang ni order ban convict ya namar kalong ka struggle ka bala ayu shisha ka bala ngila ban ong ba ban dam dan ka jing rain ikmi banyak kun baik ban wat ya ka hok ngiru nginum la ban le ai namar ba klem dia trilang bat ki namar ba teng ki kot kislar nginum yo ban sei ki namar nginda persang ban budin ngihap ban yo ban sei ki kot kisla te kasulong no ba ha kani ka jing ya kun bat kini ngiu i ba ka jingja nadu basdang ilawan ikpa parat
but ngilap ba ka jingja ka la jasha but ka jing berngem ru kadon but ki rukom what ka petition ba move bill uni ubri ru ka move ka wai ka petition artili ka bill ka bang ngam pa ju asngo satiang kat bak bangala kali bagi lawyer uki ong pat judan gum kata am jusha hiru but ka jinglong sting hakaliang jong ka fast track court ka ba msimtre ban khot what ya ka petition bala ai ban pan ya ka kami ban ya kimirat bat parat ban khot witness ki ka jing ko lele na kaliang investigation te kaladon jing ko lupa hi but sudon bok ba I ka court kala ya deki sabut ki badai but ubriru ula aplahi pogi media ula ong bangal ale with consent katu kala long no ba convict hi daladi but ni syamru ki bon ki jing ko ru hakaliang kumka nakaliang ki government pleader po fast track court kasor ni syam kasor ka kadi bantung ki ba long sensia haka fast track kamento yu kata fast track bangin ong fast track lada ka fast track no ya ka ba pelaj ya unong le ngim so ya bukan ong fast track te ngi kwa baka sarkar ka de bantung perkhat bantung ya ki brio ki balong shisha kita ki ba nirap ki badon ka jing sngo namar kum gini jai kes mantaman ka sngi yu kanang kiyo man ka sngi khlung khna ki ba sya bat bor ki ba sya riep ki ba sya peniap handai ngai kan jing bud dien pada kalong sakabania sebab pendeko man te kan nu ki kimi ki pa ki la kum ni ban bud dien habala ai ka kes wei fil ai FAR kala de kamram jok sarkar ban bud dien ban bu ki bre ki ba tikana namar buon ki ba shale jot kumni gidei na kilong yeng ba duk bat bam nang bam start bapli bat kam dei ko basuk ini bangin la ban bot din ibe kes te hendrai habala thung ka sarkar ki brio kita kila dei ban pej ikani ka aka bat ngi kermen banang ni jai baklawan kani ka order kum kani ngi kermen ngindang yo isu su kum kini watla ngayu isha west Khasi Hills te ka la nang ya sha ka conviction ki bun ki bala nang sha convict satu ka court ka bah ka trei hok ban ai bishar hok ikini ki jai brio but hang ni mentang la yu isu juai but ka spa kanum dei ban yang ban trei borba ban penjai kum kini ki jai kes but nga sungu ru iki media ki bala ya kersan ha kan ni ka jing bud de ni kan ki kes nama claim ki media ru kinum la hi ban pois ka yu
India pat pi ka nakani ka case marba ini keme jong kani khna yang triang ko banya kun hadu banyo karai ka basisha ba ka bahok ke ga jing kentu go jong pi nama pi kun nam ta ki kinthai namar ba kani ka crime against women man taru kala nang kiyo ka sni ka banang wan kisni kuma pi impi ka in ba kani ka ka long kenjan nuk sa pa ta ki we
nga kentu ye ki long yeng ki bai ngat kum kini ki jai kes wat nomia kan randien wat nomia tieng but wat yas ngap jar ki snong ki thauru namar kane ka jing thombor kadi ka thombor ka imlang sa lang mdei tang itu ilong yeng kadi ka jing thombor ka imlang sa lang but ladangi sha ban ngap kumi ni jai kes kan saroi but kan nang ailat unong le sniu but nginum yo hok khamtam kitu kilong yeng ki bejenjar but nginda ailat le bakan nang roi kan sapoi ka por bangin mla atong manya stu kina ki mo ki bon ki kina bapli ki kwa ban lech ni stein rei kan long no kum ka ayuba kinsha thombor kinsha bat bor kinsha peniap kini ki nginum sha haka imlang sa lang bat ladang ya trei lang ni wan khman lada ki don kam ki wan ya thu ngin ya trei lang bat ngakan tu bakin num re shadian
of view, how do you see on the results of this case, especially the judgment which has convicted Small Phawa?
Actually, the judgment legal point is that you see this is the first judgment which has come conviction after acquittal in a retrial. So I see new hope for the victims who are really raped. and justice is being delivered. So this is really legally this was rightly convicted. This is a case of conviction because medical report was very strong of the victim girl. The victim statement was there, and there were other corroborating factors also. So that way the conviction was very proper. And because of this case, now I think there will be hope in the rape victims cases.
You have black and white papers with you, documents with you. Been fighting, struggling for this case for the last 5 years. How do you see on it? How tough is this case?
This was a real tough case because you see here I don't want to say, I don't want to put blame on anyone, but then money power was there. There was influence by from the accused side. They were tried to threaten the father, for which FIR was also filed by the grandfather. And you know, there was some quite a lot of influence by the accused on many things I don't want to discuss, but then there was, you know, interference in the way of justice. But with this honorable court, with the present court, it was very neutral court, listened to both the prosecution and the defense, and it was a balanced judgment, and after due deliberation only this conviction was given. And after seeing that, actually this was a conviction case right from the beginning.
And for, you know, like to get that justice, the victim have to hide from one place to the other. Like that, was that your brainchild to say so?
No, you see, in this case, had the mother not be determined to get justice, justice would have never been given. You know, justice was done in this case only because of the determination of the mother, because the mother said, my girl, this thing has happened to my girl, and I will see that the culprits are punished. I will see that my daughter gets justice. So it was the strong determination of the mother which has brought us to this stage of conviction here now, because she used to come every now and then, be in the court, used to see if justice will be done, but then ultimately she saw that it was the case was finished with acquittal. So it was she who came forward. It was not the government, it was she who came forward to go to the High Court. She wrote to the Law Department that her case be appealed. It was not done. Then she went to the legal aid and requested them to give her an advocate so that they can appeal, but then the legal department wrote to the Law Department, and then she was given an advocate, and the case was appealed. Right? Then after that, the Honorable High Court sent it for retrial, and in the retrial things came very well. Earlier also it was there, but the judge was there, seeing giving equal opportunity to both the defense and the prosecution, and then finally the judge gave a very balanced judgment.
Prior to that, was there cooperation from the police and from the district court?
Cooperation from the police, if like there was some problem from the IO side, there were few loopholes, like the clothes which should have been sent for FSL, they were missing. The police says it was returned to the parents, grandparents or some family members, but it was never returned. And if that was the case, the police does not have the proof that it was returned.
Did you lose hope on that while fighting the case?
No, because besides this, because you see, rape cases can be convicted on the report of the victim girl, medical report of the victim girl, and the statement of the victim herself. So FSL is another corroborative thing, but here there was also the press release, which was also something, some factor which could be taken into consideration, because the accused person went and gave a press release that he did, sexual intercourse with consent. So that means he had done. And under section 313 also he said, yes, I did with consent. The last opportunity for the accused to explain whether he did or not, he said, yes, I did with consent. So that was the nailing thing. That means he did it. There was enough proof and enough corroboration. So even if the FSL report is not there, but still there are three. The medical report is there, the victim statement is there, plus the accused person statement in the press, could be taken as a judicial confession. So extrajudicial confession.
You're a woman advocate. What will be your message to the young girls, to the family members of any girl who had faced such type of cases? What will be your message to them?
See, if there is a real rape case, then I feel that the victim should really fight back and should not be, sometimes they don't fight any further because of public shame and all that. But if you are determined to get justice, then you have to be strong at times. But justice will be always delivered, like it was delivered in this case by the Honorable Judge. It will be always delivered.
Katung ilayo panyakren bat ikong Rita dar ibadi kime jong tu kena ibala shale beijot ha small power ya ka bang ilala banyo yo sngo bakade lingba ka jingyang bakajing scam jingmut ka jong I bakani ka case hadu mentang ilala banyo ya ka jingjob ya ka ba larai penram yo small power bat manset yu ha phatok hadu shpo snem bangangit lingba kani kan long ka khubor ikwi pat kilong yeng long sam balada ki yang scam triang pada baki don ya ki sabut ki saki ki babyang kamdon jingye ya ka banyo ya ka jing bishar ka bahok na ki yeng bishar bapat wala ketenat pulit kinumla pendam yakinu nu ki saki satar ladahi ki trayeng ki yang skam padru dangba ka jing kershan jong kinaya saj an ba kumjuro jangki sang balang ki paper nget lingba ka ni hi kan wanra bat kan penduk pendam no kini ki jing snio ki bedai persha ki kenthai hapok ka ni ka jela ba kumjuro hari hi borok kawai